plastic literally. YouTube.
OK。
谢谢。
内搭穿到过年没有问题。
可以啊。
如果说你是北方的，对不对啊？那这个内搭穿那个零下5度。
我改色头的。हेलो भाई, नमस्ते। स्वागत है आप लोगों का इस नवी वीडियो में। मैं अभी हूँ चाइना में। वेलकम टू चाइना गाइज वंस अगेन। इट्स अ ह्यूज कंट्री, यू नो, यू हैव टू कम एटलीस्ट 3-4 times to know what China really is. It's my second time and right now I'm in Hangzhou. So it's literally like my first day of sorting my life in China. We have to buy a SIM card. But first, I'm so hungry. I'm missing bread and carbs. So we are going to eat pizza, hopefully. And I'm very close to Shanghai. And see guys, this is China. Wow, amazing. You can see how clean it is. Like beside the leaves, there is no other garbage on the street. So a country with 1.4 billion people almost, yet so clean. And you know guys, I love these electric scooters in China. They are so cute. Let me show you. See here, these are the bikes in China that people use. How cute. Mini bikes, but amazing. So guys, last time we did not go in the Shanghai, Beijing area. This time we are going to explore this side. So welcome to China and let me find the store before it's too late. देख सकते हैं guys, the people are cleaning and the broom is very natural. See, wow, this is very natural. And you know, whole day in India we think that okay, you know, citizens should keep cleaning everything. Okay, that's one point I agree, but I have never seen in India for like 12 hours from morning until night people cleaning like every second. In China, every few hundred meters they keep cleaning whole day. Even if there is nothing, they will clean it. It's crazy. You see, this is the apartment building, right? And see, there are so many parcels, and the guy, he checked his parcel and he took it, right? Nobody, no random person will steal the parcel. It is that safe. And there can be gold, there can be iPhone, there can be MacBook in your parcel, just kept there, and nobody will steal it. They scan their number, they see their code, and they just take like what's theirs. Guys, it's insanely safe. I think it's 10 times more safe than Dubai. To be honest, you know, in Dubai where there are no cameras, anything can happen. But in China, no. Even if you go to the village, nobody will really steal. When I went to the village last time in the south of China, which is very far from where I am right now, my friends, they don't lock their homes inside the village. Nobody locked their homes. It is that safe. It's insane. Oh my goodness. But we are very close to our pizza place. Let me show you. Chinese map. This is not Google map. So you can use this navigation in China. It works the best. Google Maps in China is outdated since so many years. Most of the information there will be wrong. So it won't work. So we are very close. Let's go. So guys, apparently I see so many Chinese people on this street for photographs, and it's quite aesthetic, but yeah, it's not like real Chinese architecture. It's like mix of everything and very cute cafes. You can see this is the place where I came to eat. Hello. And I have ordered, of course, the classic margarita, and we are waiting for pizza. I hope it will be good. It's so good in the photos, and I hope it will be good in real life also. They have traditional oven, so yeah, we have to eat some bread. This is insane. See, so guys, I'm just going live also, and you can see the auntie, she's cleaning the clean street right there. Wow, आप लोग देख सकते हैं भाई, रोड पे कोई कचरा नहीं है, तब भी आंटी पत्ते उठा रहे हैं सिर्फ. Guys, this is China for you. So, अरे यार, कोई आप लोग सोच सकते हो यार, इंडिया में कोई साफ रोड को साफ कर दे भाई. Wow. this is crazy. So guys, I'm live on my Instagram, and this is the pizza margherita that I've ordered with a cola. That is my phone stand right now. So we are going to eat some bread after so many days. Let's try. I cannot believe this is exactly like Italian pizza. What? In China, this is really like Italian pizza. Guys, this is so good. Oh my goodness, amazing. तो यार इधर भी देखिए, ये वाली जो गाड़ी है वो ना पानी पंप कर रही है. तो ऐसे देखिए रोड को कैसे धो रहे हैं. Guys, there is literally no dirt or garbage on this road. They are just cleaning the clean road again and again. This is the building of China Telecom. I hope I can get the SIM card so our life will be little easier. Not little, a lot easier. Let's try, and how much it is, let's ask them. Okay. So guys, finally we are buying SIM card. That is like $30 for 1 month, including 50 GB internet and 300-minute free call. So all that is included and all good. This is the office for China Telecom where you can buy the SIM card. Office of Chunghwa Telecom, and finally 90% of our life is sorted. I cannot tell you how easy things will be. So we have 1 month SIM card from China Telecom, including 50 gigabyte of data, which I think is expensive actually. I paid $30 for just 1 month for 50 GB. It's like double the price to India. But I think it's because it's a special SIM card given to tourists for a short term. It's not the normal SIM card. Maybe because that's why. Please write me in the comment if there is any other information. But it's okay, $30, not so much. So we have internet now. And let me show you guys now West Lake. Let's go towards the West Lake to explore. Oh, this one?
Yeah.
RMB? Money? Money?
ที่เดียว
Oh, oh, okay, okay, okay. Shishi. Thank you.
Video.
Yeah, YouTube.
Okay.
Shishi. I always wanted to ask, like, how much is the price to rent these bicycles on the road? Maybe next time I will ask someone to help me around. But right now we don't need it because we are not going too far. Oh, let's cross. Let's cross. Guys, it's been 1 hour. These are the same people who have been shooting here. See so many people on the bike. And they are shooting their wedding photos also, maybe. Like a couple thing.
第一是第一选择。
But they all are here from
谁懂啊？设计
1 hour, I'm telling you. 1 hour.
所以喜欢首选奶白。如果说想稍微的舒适、干净、百搭一点，可以买我们正儿八经的麻灰色。如果说给老公买的吧，要给儿子买的，可以买我们正儿八经的藏青奶。所以喜欢首选奶白，次选麻灰，再选藏青，知道了啊？多少度？反正我是江西的啦。就是我穿的话呢，就我们南方人哈，搭一个内搭，穿到过年没有问题。如果说你是北方的，对不对啊？搭这个内搭穿那个0下5度，完全 OK。喜欢首选奶白，次选麻灰，再选藏青，知道了啊？那我准备加单喽，17130斤买个叉的嘛，完全没有问题。那这波半价首单能加多少单？
这个看热情哦。
哦，我先速的啊，因为今天是我们。
Guys, see this side, the photo shoot. Wow. Oh my goodness, this taxi driver might be pissed off. Wow. China is something else. Oh my goodness. But people have so much patience with each other. That's the best part about it, to be honest. But all the time something is happening. You just have to go out. There is something which is happening. That's why I say it's very different to other developing nations. It's very different. People here are very comfortable. They have their own culture. They behave in a Chinese way, not in a Western or a capitalistic way. It's very different, this country, my goodness. See so many cute bikes. These ones I think you cannot rent. These are for personal use. But I'm just trying to walk towards the lake. Let's keep going. Guys, this is the fruit shop in China. And in Asia you see these kind of grapes. You know, they look like not real, but they are real. You see them in China, Korea and Japan. So I got this. I will try first time. In India we don't have like these ones. I've not seen. So oh my goodness, I want to try right now and give you the taste test. Let's do that. This is the first time in my life I'm trying these grapes that looks like plastic, literally. You got it from my expression, yeah? Fake sugar, not original. Uppers, the one that you find in Punjab, Iran, Armenia, Europe, the old ones that are better. Too much fake sugar. Gee. Guys, this is not real sugar. No. You know, in Korea and Japan, these are sold for $100. Hey. No, not so delicious, no. तो यार अभी हम रोड क्रॉस कर रहे हैं एंड वेस्ट लेक की तरफ जा रहे हैं. सो एक दिन पहले ना, सिर्फ जस्ट 1 day बिफोर, दिस होल एरिया वाज क्राउडेड. इट वाज busy, but now I think it's not Saturday and Sunday. So all the people who came from nearby for a trip, they went back to their homes. But let's not judge. Maybe we'll find a crowd ahead. So again the cycle side. Okay, sorry. And we are going to the lake to see Guangzhou Lake. Guys, you can take a boat tour also, which is $10 for one island and $13 or $14 for like many islands, but or the whole lake. But I'm not doing it. I'm not in the mood for the boat tour. I swear to God, I'm not. Okay, I have to find the crossing. Please, we'll continue the video soon. This is the store for Adidas, and so many brands and stores in this side, and lake is right there. Bhai, har jagah, everywhere cleaning is going on. See, she is washing the street. So this cleaning process, it keeps happening for like 12 hours a day, from morning to the night. But oh, so many branded stores here. There is, you name it, it's right there. Let's try to go around the lake. Oh wow, 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 this is so good. Chinese park area, people are dancing. Oh wow, I was like, where the music is coming from. I've seen this actually before, but I did not film it. Guys, old people in China, they enjoy their life to the fullest. Oh my goodness, amazing. Yeah, tha park area where old people, they're enjoying, they're doing exercise, dance. I was like, where this music is coming from? And I went, and there were a lot of dance. So this is the park for the West Lake area, and the sun has gone down because it's like 3:20, and to be honest, it should be little cold in this area, but it's not cold right now. It's mid-October. It's very hot. Weather is changing. So guys, this is West Lake. People are taking photos, they are enjoying. We can go even on the boat tour, which I don't want to go. I'm sorry. Maybe some other time when I come with my boyfriend or my parents or my family or my friends. I really don't want to go there alone. I'm not in the mood. But you see, this is like the, how can you say in English? It's like where you can go in the front to the lake and see. Oh, they are touching the water. Nice. भाई, ये बात मैं आप लोगों को ना हिंदी में बोलती हूँ. मुझे दूसरों का तो नहीं पता, बट जैसे बचपन में 10-15 साल पहले जब मैंने भी घूमना शुरू करा था ना, आज से 10 साल पहले, तो मोस्टली जो टूरिस्ट हम देखते थे ना, वो होते थे अंग्रेज या जापानी या कोरियन, ठीक है, या अंग्रेज़ों में यूरोपियन अमेरिकन. बस यही 4-5 देश के टूरिस्ट एयरपोर्ट पे भी यार यही दिखते थे. 10 साल पुरानी बात बता रही हूँ मैं, ठीक है. अभी क्या है, पिछले 5-6 साल में जो टूरिज़्म में शिफ्ट आया ना यार, जो आपको मतलब ईरान के लोग, चाइना के लोग, इंडिया के लोग इतना घूमते हुए दिख रहे हैं. मेरे को तो पर्सनली बहुत अच्छा लगता है यार कि दूसरे देशों के भी लोग अब घूम रहे हैं, इनके पास भी पैसे आए हैं. भाई 10 साल पहले अंग्रेज़ों के अलावा, जापानी, कोरियन के अलावा कोई दिखता ही नहीं था भाई. आई लाइक अभी देखिए आप, कितने सारे चाइनीज़ लोग ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं, इनकी इकोनॉमी अच्छी हो रखी है. इंडिया के लोग ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं पाकिस्तान से, अलग अलग देशों से. इट्स वेरी गुड. आई पर्सनली लाइक इट. सो ये देखे भाई, इस साइड तगड़े लेवल पे इनकी शूटिंग चल रही है। ये लोग टॉर्च, फ्लैश लाइट सब लेके आए हुए हैं। See, this is the boat that you can go to tour around. At night it will be like full of lights. I don't know, should we go? But we just have to go to the island, then we have to come back, which I'm doing since 1 month in Indonesia. I don't want. No, I'm not going, guys. This is West Lake. This is Hangzhou. We had an amazing time today. We sort out the SIM card also. Wow. First video of China. I hope you guys enjoy. It's going back. It's going back to the port, the boat. For the stores, and you can wear the costumes. So, but not here. Maybe in Shanghai we'll wear the traditional Chinese dress. And I'm just walking towards the other side of the West Lake. Nice. The lake is actually huge, and right in the main city. You don't have to go far. It's probably walking distance from your hostels. That's it. You can walk around the whole area. You can take boats. You can go to another one small island nearby, and that's about it. Everyday life in China is more fun than to do tourist activities. It's a very big difference. So guys, today we are eating Chinese food in Hangzhou. Today we are not going to the Indian restaurant. This is the place vegetarian. They say in Chinese, 素食 means vegetarian. So it's also green mark in this sign. You can see so many lights. Very good to even make video. Such a good buffet area. One. How much? Or maybe 21. Oh, okay, okay. तो भाई लिटरली इसमें से आप लोग कुछ भी ले सकते हो, और सिर्फ ये 30 युआन का है भाई। ये पूरा खाना ही खाना था, एंड इतना सस्ता यार। थाली में तो हमारे इंडिया के थाली में 3-4 चीज़ें होती हैं, ये भाई पूरा बफे इतना सस्ता मैंने किसी कंट्री में नहीं देखा आज तक। इट वॉज क्रेजी, यू नो, ओनली इन चाइना। एंड then some people say China doesn't have vegetarian food. My goodness, so many varieties there, you know, lot of food. It was good. Now I think I will go back and take rest. Then tomorrow we have to go Shanghai. It's almost 5:20. This vegetarian restaurant was in a shopping mall. So this is shopping mall. This is one of the basic one, nothing big, like a local shopping center. So you can see these are the clothes and all good. Let's go. We can exit from this floor, so you can see. और भाई इस बेसमेंट पे भी ना दुकानें बनी हुई हैं। मैं आपको सच्ची बताऊं, ये लोग बिजनेस कहाँ से ला रहे हैं मेरे को नहीं समझ आ रहा है, ठीक है, बट नीचे यहाँ पे भी ना इन्होंने दुकानें लगा रखी हैं, मतलब तरह तरह की। गजब भाई गजब। और ये सिर्फ में नॉर्मल सी क्रॉसिंग है तो, बट so guys, this is the main street. We have came from the lake was just that side, and the sun has gone down almost. In 15-20 minutes it will be dark, and wow, people are going back home from work. And this part of China should be cold just like my hometown in month of October, but because of climate change, now the winters they arrive by November. So right now is 13th of October. I think in 2 weeks or 3 weeks it will be cold, it will be chilled. Wow. And I hope to get out by that time. I don't want to be in cold. Jesus, worst thing in the world. Our hostel is that side, so let's go. And I was right, today it was so peaceful. All the tourists they went back home. It was very crowded because of Saturday, Sunday, and now Hangzhou is very quiet. This is also like a local shopping mall, and they have a hostel inside this shopping mall. They have a literal hostel, so we are going inside there, and the hostel name is Amber Hostel on the 5th floor. So nice. You know, they have like this so many shopping complex in China. Most of them are local, and anywhere they are doing business, whether it's metro station basement, it's like the basement crossing, anywhere there is business everywhere in China. So see, these are the shops inside, and on the 5th floor they have the hostel.